ऑलराइट, हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम ऑन बोर्ड। होप यू आर डूइंग एब्सोल्युटली फाइन। कैसे भी आप लोग, आज बहुत ही धुरंधर लोग आए हुए हैं यहाँ पे मेरे साथ, और इनके साथ तो मतलब मुझे क्वेश्चन पूछना पड़ता है कि भाई क्या क्या बताएं आज। हाँ जी, लेट्स गो। वर्बल एबिलिटी क्या करना चाहिए यार? मोइनैक, पहले तो अपना ज्ञान दे। तेरा वर्बल का स्कोर क्या था?
95 and 99
95, 95 एंड 99। माय गॉड, बता भाई वर्बल एबिलिटी कैसे इंप्रूव करना है संक्षेप में, एंड देन वी गो टू क्वांट्स, टू सुधांशु, एंड मे बी डीएलआर टू तेजस। हाँ भाई
जी सर। वर्बल वर्बल एबिलिटी काफी सिंपल रहता है इंप्रूव करना, राइट? इट्स आई एम श्योर अभी कैट हैज स्टार्टेड गिविंग द क्वेश्चन पेपर्स, तो सबको समझ में आ रहा होगा द एसेज आर नॉट वेरी डिफिकल्ट, राइट? 700-800 वर्ड्स हैं। ओके, वर्बल सॉल्व करने का मेरा तरीका हमेशा सालों साल सेम रहा है। आई अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट द क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग। मैं कभी भी कोई एक्सट्रीम स्टेटमेंट चूज नहीं करता हूँ। ओके, आई ऑलवेज अवॉइड सेंटेंस लाइक दिस इज द ओनली थिंग दैट कैन हैपन, यू नो, इट मस्ट हैपन। Okay, unless the passage states something like that. Fun fact, a cat passage will not state something like that. क्योंकि इतना obvious question अगर कोई cat setter दे देगा आपको फ्री में, वो 3 नंबर देने के लिए नहीं बैठा हुआ है यहाँ पर। Okay, so if you understand this thing that the passage is easy, the trick is in the words. Okay, that might create the concept of space or extremity. इतना समझ गए आप, the paper is going to be very easy. But to reach to that certain level, of course, जैसे राहुल सर ने बोला, you know, you start with the aeon, you start understanding some difficult words, etc. उसके बाद reading की practice लाते हो, then you get into the aspect of understanding questions. The last aspect is eliminating options, and you are set. Okay, ये process बार बार repeat, इतनी बार repeat करना पड़ता है जब तक आप बोर नहीं हो जाते हो। अरे यार ये तो देखा हुआ है यार, ये यही होगा, right? You need to reach that sort of a level to actually ace the cat. कुछ भी हो जाए, you know, you are tired, आपका जाते जाते गाड़ी खराब हो गया, कुछ भी हो गया, एसी बंद हो गया हॉल में, you know the process so well, you score on the paper. So we have to just break down the process in 4 simple steps. A, तो ने जो बोला है, you know, we give a repository of websites to read from, and also a Cat King dashboard. Read every day. It's essential for you to read. Okay. Second, the questions that you solve, you have got it correct or it's incorrect, doesn't matter. Please sit and understand what the question is asking. Author's viewpoint, your viewpoint, a character's viewpoint, accept, truth, etc., whatever it was. Please identify type of questions. Okay, I can break it down for you, but I don't want to. I want you to do the hard work. There are 8 types of questions. Okay, cat 8 type के question पूछते हैं, उसके आगे वो जाता नहीं है, right? If you have seen our mock attempts, Sudhanshu sir and mine, we always specify, okay, this is this type of question, that is that type of question. That's step 2. Step 3, understand why your option is correct, understand why the other 3 options are wrong. Okay? Was the opinion too far-fetched? Was it extreme? Was it vague? Was it not answering the question that has been asked? Many a time, the 2 options might be right in context of the passage, but you need to pick the option which is relevant to the question, right? And 4 is maintain a log. Okay, like I am comfortable with this sort of passage, I am comfortable with that sort of passage. That is relevant while you are at a stage of maybe 99, 99.5. But if you reach a 99.9 level, right? I remember my score was 87 out of 102. That means you don't have a lot of space to make mistakes. Right? 15 marks means only 5 questions. In my time, that is 29 out of 34 questions need to be right. Okay, so you don't have a lot of time to waste. So your efficiency needs to reach a level. I don't care कोई भी level आ जाए, पहला psychology है, पहला philosophy है, doesn't matter. You take everything head on from the get go. That's the level you should aspire to reach, but not from day one. It's absolutely fine. अभी भी 20 weeks हैं. Maybe the first 10 weeks go in basics, medium, understanding. Then another 5 weeks strategizing, as Tejas rightly said. You know, there needs to be a strategy in place, and it takes time to master something, especially something like verbal ability. Right. And the last 5 is, you know, last mile prep. You know, so overall, these 4 things are absolutely encapsulated in the way we have structured our program. You know, like Rahul was setting up the base for you guys, which is the most important thing. Pillar नहीं होगा, ऊपर का हवाबाजी ऐसे ही हवे में निकल जाएगा. Okay, the pillar is very important.
ज़्यादा अंडर प्ले मत कर, ये बहुत स्टड लोग हैं. मैं कुछ
नहीं सर, पिलर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, आप भी
रहने
डालते हो।
दे, रहने दे बेटा, रहने दे। हाँ भाई, तो पिछले बार स्टूडेंट ने एक बात बताई थी, 99 परसेंटाइल तक मैं ले जाऊंगा, राहुल सर ले जाएंगे, सुमित सर जो भी तुम बोलते हो, 99 to 99.99 जो लेके जाना है वो मोइनैक लेके जाएगा। एंड आई एग्री मोइनैक, हैट्स ऑफ टू योर मॉक सॉल्विंग स्किल, एंड पीपल हैव स्टूडेंट्स हैव genuinely given feedback that it's amazing. This is so amazing. Thank you so much for joining in. Bye bye guys, take care. Boys and girls, hit on the like button, हाँ,
Thanks, everyone.
कमेंट करना, I'm going to read your comments in the night और मैं सबको रिप्लाई भी करूंगा।